Boom, here we have the animal isolate loaded whey protein. This is the frosted cinnamon bun flavor. We're gonna find out if it tastes good, see how well it mixes, and also go over all of the nutritional facts. The animal whey protein frosted cinnamon bun flavor has 120 calories per serving, 1 gram of fat, 3 carbs, so perfect for low carb diets, and 25 grams of protein. With a little math, we can see this entire tub is about 78% protein, which is pretty good. The protein source is a blend of whey isolate and whey concentrate. It also includes digestive enzymes, and it's sweetened with ACE-K and sucralose, which is also known as Splenda. It includes real cinnamon, and there are no artificial colors. Being whey protein, of course, it's going to include all of the branched chain amino acids, or BCAAs, and these are not added. These are naturally occurring in all whey protein, not just this one. It's also manufactured and tested in the US. Take a look inside the tub, and this stuff smells pretty good. I mean, you'll instantly smell that cinnamon. Here's the included scoop. All right, let's mix it up. I'm just going to use plain water in a spoon because if it mixes like this, it's going to be just fine in your shaker cup. 1 scoop and stir. All right, looks like it did pretty well. No clumps left behind. Let's taste it. So now we need to test it out. Overall, smells pretty good. Cinnamon flavor's there. It is sweet, but it's not too sweet. Has a good consistency. It is definitely fully mixed, so no problem there. Mixing it with just a spoon, of course. Feel free to use your shaker cup. Use more water, less water, milk, other things like that. But overall, pretty good. I actually like this. You can really taste the cinnamon melded with a sweet yeasty bun flavor, no weird aftertaste, and a good creamy consistency. Is it exactly the same as eating a cinnamon roll? I mean, of course not, but for a protein powder, it's really good. I'd give this a flavor score of about maybe even a 9.0. I mean, it's pretty good. But now let's pump it up. We'll throw it in a blender with some milk and ice. Feel free to add other things that fit your macros, like oatmeal, ice cream, half and half, an old iPhone. And mixed like this, man, the flavor is even better. Easily a 9.3. It tastes more rich and complex. It does thicken up a bit and becomes almost light and airy. And the consistency is super smooth and creamy. And the flavors just blend so well whenever you want to put it in a blender. Of course, you don't have to put it in a blender, but if you want the ultimate taste, throw it in a blender with some milk and ice and whatever else you want. Bottom line, overall, it's a quality whey protein. The flavor is awesome, and it's a nice change of pace from your standard chocolates and vanillas. We all get tired of having the same chocolate and vanilla flavored whey protein, so you might want to check this one out if you want to change up your routine. Definitely something that I would buy again. If you want to pick it up for yourself, of course, I will have links in the description below. Again, that's the animal isolate loaded whey protein frosted cinnamon bun flavor.